Jedną.
Znalazłem!
O! Wezmę.
Ostry. Można. Jak?
Now just going to finish up the podcast by saying a massive thanks to the drum and bass, because you're missing out if you don't.
Chcę zobaczyć. Przez ten ekranik.
Shows a side of humanity when they just actually really were bombed by America needlessly. Okay, just time for one more tune now. Just had Riley giving me sharp glances there. I was amazed and very pleased to repair on other records. As always, £5 in the shop, well, £4.99 from your local HMV or wherever you buy records. And you can pre-order it on hospitalrecords.com, go to the shop. You will get your copies any day now. Put the order in now. I think they're being shipped out today actually. So